with Sylvia, Intermediate Level 2, Week 2. And we're gonna start this video with a warm-up, which is going to look very similar to the warm-up that you're gonna get in class. So your instructors are just gonna do some footwork in front of you, and you do as much as you can. All of this footwork we've already covered in previous videos and in previous levels. So just come with us. 5, 6, 7, 1, and we do that on leads timing. 1, right turn, basic, side step, 1, basic, basic, cumbia step, 1 more, basic, broken left, basic, 1 more broken left, basic, 2 right turns, and 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, basic step, Susie Q. One more, basic step, forward slide, backward slide, 1, 2, 3, one more time, basic, single crossover, one more time, basic, double crossover, one more time, basic, 5, 6, 7, 1, and double Susie Q, 5, 6, 7, one more time, and basic, and that's what your warm-up looks like, except you're gonna do it for much longer in class. All right, so we're gonna stop the music and we're gonna do the pattern for today. All right, so we're gonna start with a broken left turn into a 180 crossbody lead, which is the new move for today, one of them. 1, 2, toss the hand, 5, 6, 7. As she's turning on 1, 2, 3 leads, you're gonna place your right hand on her back, and 1, 2, 3, bring her on the other side, 6, 7. So you're basically switching places 2 times and you end up exactly the way you started. Let's look at it one more time. We're gonna break down the footwork. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. So you heard me count and 3. We are at a higher level now, so we are starting to explore these and counts. So let's look at the follower's footwork. So after we do our broken left turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I go into my turn. 1, I step forward. 2, and I extend. And then 5, 6, 7. For the lead, you go 1, 2, 3, basic step. You step forward. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, the important part here is the lead. So how you create that kind of a rubber band effect almost, where you're going together and you're going apart. So you're gonna lead that with your right arm leads. So let's look at that. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, toss. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, you bring her towards you and you extend, then you bring her towards you again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, style, 5, 6, 7. And Mario has a very nice styling for the leads when he's doing his footwork, so maybe try to take some of that. All right, so the next move that we're doing is called Titanic. So to enter Titanic, the Titanic move, you have to be in a handshake position. So right to right, left to left on top. you start with nothing else but the good old crossbody lead, and this time an inside crossbody lead. Don't let go of any hands. 3, 5, 6, 7, and open up her arms as much as they can open. Obviously, if her arms are shorter, don't stretch her, don't overstretch her. Ladies or followers, you go forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're doing again turn and a half from here, inside turn and a half, and we end up together again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. Switch the hands. Titanic. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the exit from Titanic. So if we were like that, right? And I go forward. 1. So he's pushing me slightly forward so that he can show me that I'm going forward. 1, 2, and he's bending my left arm, and from here he's going up. 5, 6, 7, and 1. So be careful with her arms not to like overstretch or twist or anything like that, because when the follower is in this position, they're a little vulnerable. So be careful how you bend their arms. Don't bend backwards too much, and be careful how you exit that move. Okay, so we're gonna do everything from the top, and then we're gonna add the dip. So we're gonna do a very basic, simple dip. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Titanic. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7, and 1. All right, so let's talk about the dip. Again, very simple. What are the few key things about a dip? Followers, you need to be able to hold your own weight. So don't drop your weight on him because you're going to feel very heavy. So you need to be able, it's just an illusion, right? So when you go into that right here, it's an illusion that he's holding me, but I'm actually holding myself. And he's helping me by pulling my hair down. So I'm actually holding my weight on my right leg. I'm not dropping. And also another key is to keep your body absolutely straight. Don't drop the butt, because that adds additional weight. So how we go into this? We go 1, 2, 3. So this is where we are on 3. And then we turn 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And for the leads, make sure you do support her. You have to support her. Don't just drop her on the floor. So you have to support. And as much, right, so this is just a simple dip. So if you, especially if you don't know your partner, don't go into like, you know, really deep, because before you kind of get to know what, yes, if you can or cannot, exactly. All right, so once again, the simple dip, and then we're gonna put it all together. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So footwork wise, it's really not too complicated. You go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 7, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do it with music. And 1. Broken left into a 180. Switch the hands, go into Titanic, do a little styling here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 1. 1. And from the top. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1. Thank you everyone for watching. We're almost coming to an end of our salsa syllabus. This was intermediate level 2, week 2. We did the 180 crossbody lead and the simple dip and the move called Titanic. Again, if you need more information about our classes, go to www.salsawithsilvia.com. This is Mario, I'm Sylvia, and we'll see you next week.